Hi there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the energy assessors here at ATSPACE, and the question that I've been asked to answer today is what water saving technologies can I have installed in my property? So there's two main water saving technologies, and it is rainwater harvesting and graywater collection. So firstly, let's start with rainwater harvesting. That is when the water runoff after you had rainfall from the roof area runs into the guttering, and then all of the associated pipe work is rerun into a water storage tank. From then, once the water storage tank has water in it, it can be used for multiple reasons. One of them could be to reuse the rainwater to flush toilets instead of using clean water to flush toilets, which is what most properties do. This can also be used for irrigation and for watering plants. It can be rerun to be used for the outdoor tap as well. Graywater collection. This is when the excess water from baths or showers or taps can be reused in the property and outside of the property again. So for instance, the excess water from your shower will rerun into the toilet. So then when you flush the toilet, you're not using clean water. And the same, it can be used in the outdoor tap of a property as well. Now there is one other technology, but it's not a water saving technology, it's an energy saving technology, and it is known as wastewater heat recovery. So this works by having a copper tube system behind the shower, and what happens is when the water that you've used to shower yourself goes through the drain, it will run around the outside of a copper pipe, and then the heat from that water will transfer through the copper pipe and preheat the incoming cold water to the shower, meaning that you use less energy to heat up the shower water for usage. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like me to answer any more questions surrounding energy efficiency or water efficiency, please feel free to visit the Knowledge Hub to make a request, and always remember to like and subscribe.